cutting a long story very, very short, making contact with Nick Perez via LinkedIn because we share some very common goals when it comes to using virtual reality in healthcare. And we came down a couple of weeks ago to give a presentation to the team you have down here at the Horizon Centre, and it became very, very clear that we could actually come and give some of the software free of charge that we've been using in the Queen Elizabeth Hospital. So what we did was we came down today with the software, tried it in the intensive care unit to great success. Nick on intensive care was absolutely awesome. Bearing in mind he is in intensive care, so we can't forget why he's there, but his engagement and his activity and the miles he covered with his SAT still being 98% at the end was absolutely stupendous.
Oh, that is magic, isn't it, eh? Oh.
It's a little bit emotional because it's like something it built for a PhD that was just designed to be used in one sort of environment has suddenly been put into a new one, and to see it going flawlessly with no issues and all the issues that we have had in the QE not happening here, it's kind of, it's a kind of strange feeling. You feel a bit like, elation, so yeah, I'm pretty happy.